Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is your time. A few moments just for you. There's nothing you need to fix, nothing to change. We're simply going to rest here together, anchoring in the moment. Begin by finding a comfortable position, though not so comfortable that you want to sleep. I suggest a seated position in a chair, the floor, or the ground. Make certain your back is upright, but not stiff. Allow your eyes to gently close about halfway to lower your gaze. If you prefer, you can close your eyes, though I recommend that people begin by lowering their gaze so they don't fall asleep. There is nowhere else you need to be. Let your hands rest naturally. Palms up are open to receive, and palms down are for grounding. You choose. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly. Follow the rhythm of your breath. There's no need to breathe in any special way for this meditation. Just notice the air coming in and the air flowing out. Repeat after me silently or aloud. I am breathing in peace. I am breathing in peace. I am breathing out stress. I am breathing out stress. Allow your body to relax more as the words resonate with you. If your thoughts wander, that's okay. Gently bring your attention back to the breath, in and out. Feel the ground or floor beneath you. It's holding you. Allow yourself to feel supported. Take one more deep breath in and a long, slow exhale. Let these words settle into your heart. Even in stillness, I am whole. Even in stillness, I am whole. This moment is enough. This moment is enough. I am enough. I am enough. When you're ready, begin bringing your attention back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If desired, roll your head and shoulders to feel yourself returning energy to your body. Open your eyes completely. Take this feeling of calm with you. You've just meditated. You showed up for yourself, and that's beautiful. Whenever you feel ready, check out more of my meditations. Thank you for spending this time with me.